here's another unboxing time. Hi, cuz. Sorry. I'm gonna go through, man. Let's just do it. I mean, I got this some slipper socks. Since I got the one ripped by Tina, the dog, I'm gonna have to unbox it now. And sorry, I guess, but it may be a little about the kids to see. Okay, this way it's gonna be fun. Anyway, this is slipper socks. This is from Sonic the Hedgehog for somehow, and I'm gonna unbox for you, man. And for so on, let's turn off. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. And got this open. I know it looks fake, but it's not. Okay, here it goes. Here's my PC right here. I'm sure it's okay. Anyway, can you see this? Pretty cool. Today's my birthday so far, but it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be fine. When it comes to that, even though it rips a bit, it's fine. Second all, I actually got it. And for some 1 minute and like 53-second video for somehow, it's gonna be like continue for like, alright. And bye.